Hello, I'm attorney John Mansfield with the Mansfield Law Group, and we practice exclusively in the area of immigration and nationality law. And I'm talking to you today about the USCIS. And what's the USCIS, you might ask? It is the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. They are a branch of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, and they are responsible for receiving, processing, and approving or denying applications for status and relief under the U.S. immigration and nationality laws. And it's important that you know that the USCIS has become an extremely efficient branch. I know it's hard to believe, but they've done wonders with respect to getting more efficient, faster, friendlier. For a huge bureaucracy, I think they deserve a lot of credit for the progress they've made. But you should know that they are not necessarily there to help you and approve you and send you on your merry way. It's important that you understand that they have a job to do, and that job does not always run side by side with your interests and what your objectives are in terms of getting, keeping, regaining status that you're looking to achieve. And that's where an immigration attorney can come in, not only handy, but very essential. So it's important that you not take any chances and consult an immigration specialist, someone who is familiar with the U.S. immigration laws, the cases, the statutes, the regulations, even the procedural protocols. For example, I practice in Southern California. The San Diego USCIS office's protocols are somewhat different than those in Los Angeles, and they are different from those in San Bernardino, and so on and so forth. San Francisco is different than all of them. So it's important to get an attorney who's familiar with the localities and the regional differences and the particular requirements that each jurisdiction has with respect to the filings, the documents, the procedures, the time frames, and even the dress code for that matter. You may not need to dress too formally for certain appearances in a certain jurisdiction, but in another place I might advise you to wear a suit coat without a tie and make sure your appearance is well groomed, because I'm familiar with the different aspects of these offices and jurisdictions. So it's important also for you to know that if you go to the USCIS for information, they're not always able or in the proper frame of mind to give you the information that's accurate and that you're looking for. It's not that they're necessarily out to deceive you or harm you, but you may just get a hold of someone that doesn't know the law like I do, or like another experienced immigration professional knows. When I say professional, I mean an attorney. And I do not recommend getting advice from anyone but a licensed attorney like me. If you go to, for example, what's called an InfoPass appointment with the USCIS, you are likely, if you go there without an attorney, to not get very complete answers and walk away having wasted your time. If I go for you, then I can guarantee you that you're going to get useful information out of me, because I know how to extract that information from the agencies. So the forms are more complicated than ever. If you end up checking the wrong box or submitting the wrong form or failing to submit a required form, you're in for a delay and probably an emotionally draining one and financially costly one as well. So you know, my office knows how to prepare this paperwork so that you achieve your goals, and I certainly recommend that you consult an immigration lawyer and one that specializes and focuses exclusively in this area, as opposed to going to your family wills and trusts attorney, just like you wouldn't go to your family general practitioner for brain surgery. So it's very important that you take the extra time and care enough about yourself and your family to see someone who's an expert. So I hope this has been helpful, and for more free information, please check out our website. Thank you.